Okay, let's go for a tour outside our condo and show you the madness that is South Boston right now. Nowhere to put the snow. It just does not stop. Another 2 feet of snow over the last couple of days has fallen. The piles have gotten ridiculous, as you can see down the street here. That's a sidewalk, actually. Let's take it out to the street. Look at this craziness. Cars just buried under here. Probably won't be surfacing for weeks, some of these cars. The size of some of these snow piles. And then we come over here to this beautifully shoveled out parked car. Yep. That's hours of work I did today. Oh, sorry, I'm in someone's way here. Look at the size of this pile here. That's got to be like 10 feet high. 10 or 12 feet. Whoa, this guy's gonna run me over here. This is crazy. All right.